What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute, like I want to say almost a year since I filmed my last video. Oh man, I just kind of was going through some stuff, so I took a break, took some me time, some mental health time, and all that good stuff. But now I'm back. I'm actually super excited for today's video. I'm sure you guys can tell from the title that today we are going to be, no, I I'm going to be showing you guys how I put together my bridesmaids boxes. I'm actually pretty excited. I'm going to try to give these to the girls today, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys how I put together my boxes, and yeah, I guess kind of what I got to put inside my box. Sorry, I don't know why I feel so awkward filming again, but it's okay, we're gonna move past that. I got engaged Christmas 2017. And yeah, we've just kind of gone back and forth between the date and the venue and all that crazy shenanigans. So we finally have a date set. It's going to be June 14th of 2020. Yeah, we did a thing with the number 61420. We were annoying, I know, sorry. But yeah, so now that we have the date set, I figured it was time to go ahead and pick the girls that I wanted to be in my bridal party. Oh man, I feel like, man, you take a little time away from filming and then everything feels awkward again. But yeah, so I went ahead and picked the girls that I wanted to be in my bridal party. Jeez, I can't talk either. And I kind of spent a little bit of time going back and forth on the kind of boxes that I wanted. But I essentially decided, you know what, we're gonna have a really simplistic wedding, a lot of greenery, a lot of fresh flowers. So I kind of wanted to have a box that reflected that. And then as far as what went inside, I just wanted it to be like kind of like a really relaxing, like self-care kind of stylish box, like, but I wanted to have some cutesy things in there. So I feel like I accomplished that. I live my life pretty much on a broke bitch budget, so that's pretty much the mindset that I have going into the wedding. Obviously we have a budget that we want to stick to. I think we're gonna be okay sticking to it, but I don't know, I don't really like to pay so much money for things. Like, it's okay to buy expensive pieces here and there or spend more money on something that you really want, but we do have a budget that we want to stick in. And like I said, I swear I live my life by like the broke bitch budget code. So that's what I did. I try to make these boxes fit in my broke bitch budget lifestyle. So we will see. Well, you guys can tell me if you guys think I did it. I think I did a fairly good job. One thing I will say is that if you do want to have more expensive items in your boxes, then to kind of buy each, like a couple items like every week or every 2 weeks or something, so that it fits within your budget, because wedding things can get really expensive. I know I am a gift giver. That is just how I show my love and appreciation for people. So I have a problem with buying too many gifts, and that kind of happened with these boxes, but I still feel like I got a really good deal on everything. So without further ado, let's get into these boxes. So, side note, I do have these boxes all put together, but they're really simple how I put them together, and I can, well, you guys can kind of see how I put it together, but I'm going to show you the box all put together. So this is the box. I just went to Michael's and picked up some of these floral boxes. It says love on the inside, and like I said, these boxes are already put together, so this is how it looks on the inside. It has a flower detail and says love in here. And here is, oh, my sticker's coming off. Here's everything that's in my bridesmaid box. The maid of honor box is a little bit different. Also, another side tip is I crafted a lot of these things myself using my Cricut Explorer Air 2, and I will say, if you are a crafter, then honestly you need to get one of these. It is one of the best investments that I've made, not only like specifically for the wedding, but it's helped me make so many other cool things like around the house and stuff. But it's such a neat tool to have. So sorry, I'm gonna take each piece out one by one. So the first thing that I made was this Well, I didn't make the glass. I bought the glass from the dollar store. They were $1. And then also the ring pops came in a pack of 4. Um, and so with my Cricut, I just made this design that says Bride Tribe. And then on the back, it has their names. And so I stuck the ring pop in here as well as a little face mask. I haven't specifically used this face mask right here, but I've used a different scent of theirs, and it was actually really, really good. And I think the face mask it was on sale. It was like just under $2. It was like $1.80 or something like that. Then the next thing that I got was I bought these little bottles of rosé. So since we are in summer right now, I was gonna do red wine, but I figured rosé would be a little bit more like refreshing and crisp for the season. And then these little stickers. So my Cricut came with sticker paper, so I just made this design in Cricut Design Space, and then I cut the stickers out and just stuck them on here. They are kind of lifting a little bit, so I might well, I'm probably just gonna put some glue on it to just kind of make sure they stick down. But it just says, "Will you be my bridesmaids?" And I thought this just was like a cute little design. The next thing that I picked up was this bombshell petal scrub from Victoria's Secret. So I don't know if their semi-annual sale is still going on, but it was a few days ago when I went. I didn't know. I just was in the mall and happened to stop by. And most of the store was like 75% off. So I picked them up each, this petal scrub. I picked different colors so that everybody has their own color. But I've been hearing a lot about this. It's a sugar scrub that has primrose oil in it, and it's had like a lot of really good reviews. And I love doing face scrubs, face masks. So I thought they would really enjoy this. And this was on sale. It was $4. So how can you, like, that's a freaking steal. The next thing that I picked up was also for Victoria's Secret. I haven't tried these, but I was actually really interested. It is their perfume paint. Each of them have a different scent. I just thought these might be a little, like, pretty interesting. I didn't have a perfume in here, and this is like a brush on. It's a brush on fragrance, and these smell really good. So I thought it would be like a nice touch to add in there too. Something like little girly. Plus, who has brush on perfume? Like, I've never even seen that before. But yeah, I thought these were super cute. So I also added these to the box. This was on sale. These were, I want to say these were $5 a piece. So super great deal. Like, how could you not? Another thing that I picked up was I'm a fan of lotions. I love lotions. And I just happened to be at Forever 21. Normally I don't really buy lotions from there, but I was kind of interested because they were on sale. They were on sale for $1.90. So I was like, how could I not? And I smelled them and they smelled pretty good. So I picked up a couple of these lotions. This one is triple berry, and I'll show you the other boxes. Each box has a different scent. I think, well, yeah, they have different scents. But yeah, I also picked them up a lotion, and like I said, these were $1.90, so fit right in the budget, you know? Girls gotta be out here catching all the deals, right? Right? Okay, so I have 2 more things in here. I was at Joann's looking for, I think I was looking for like a succulent or something, and I came across these little candles, okay? This thing is little, but the scent on this, you guys, I wish, smell it, y'all. This smells so good. It's a coconut candle, and it's a blah, blah. It is a coconut soy blend candle. The scent on this bad boy is ridiculous. Guess how much? Guess how much? $1. How could I not? How could I not? I even got some for myself. I came home and I was shoving these in everyone's faces. I was like, smell it, smell it, smell it. It smells so good that it's literally like made the box smell good inside. It's insane. But yeah, I thought these were really cute, so I had to put these in here. I wanted to get a candle anyways. I wanted a bigger one, but I could not find one that smelled how I wanted it to smell. And I could have bought some online, but you never really know how the fragrance is going to smell. So it sucks that these things are so small, but like I said, they smell so good. And they were $1. Like, that's insane. Just insane. And the last thing that I have in here is this little jar. I bought this little jar from Michael's. It was $1, and then I just used my, okay, the wrong way. I just used my Cricut to write bath salt on here. This is pink Himalayan bath salt. I love to use bath salts or bath bombs when I'm taking a bath. I'm a huge bather. I don't even know if that's the right word, but I like to take a lot of baths. And the scent on this too, it's like when you open this box, it smells like this salt and that candle, and it's delightful, just amazing. But yeah, I don't know if the girls take baths or if they take them as much as I do, but yeah, I had to gift them this. And I would have gotten like the bigger package, but it comes in like a huge thing. It doesn't come small. So, you know, us women, we like things that are small and teeny tiny. So I thought it'd be cute to just get this little jar and put it in there. And that is the last thing that I have in this box. And I will show you guys the box again. At the bottom of it, I just put some holographic crinkle paper and then some white crinkle paper inside. And that was pretty much it for my bridesmaid box. Like I said, I try to keep it really simple, but still like really nice and really girly. Yeah, I like most of the stuff in the box is stuff that I like to do, and sometimes that we do together, like face masks, we drink wine together. Well, we don't do face scrubs together, but who knows, we might. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the bridesmaids box. Now I will show you guys the maid of honor box because it is a little bit different. Here is the maid of honors box. My sister, her name is Kanisha. See, my sticker's coming off again on this dang rosé bottle. So this box is packed to the brim. I told you guys I seriously have a problem with buying gifts. Like, it's really a problem. So most of this is the same except for there are two things, and I will go over that in just a moment. Okay, so the maid of honor box is really similar to the bridesmaids box. Sorry, I don't like that. But there are a few differences. The first is this, obviously her sticker, it says, "Will you be my maid of honor?" and not "Will you be my bridesmaid?" Well, she's still a bridesmaid, but she's gonna be the maid of honor. I also picked up, so I'm a big thrifter, so I went to the thrift store and I was able to get some really cool items that someone had like just bought in brand new. So they brought in this Show Me Your Moo robe. This, I went on their website. I can link it down for you guys below, but it's unavailable now. Originally it was like $80, I want to say, but I got this for $5. Steals on steals on steals on steals. It's crazy. It's insane. And the last thing that I picked up was this Luna Foreo. It's pretty much just a smart, what does it say? It's like, it's a smart facial cleansing brush. It has these sensors on the back that yes, I thought this was really cool. It has these sensors on the back that can tell you like how moist or how dry your skin is, like what your skin age is and all that. I just thought this was really cute and looked really girly. But yeah, when I looked this up online, I think this also retailed for like $89, I want to say. But I got this for 10. Oh wait, no, I got both of these for 10. This was also $5. Sorry. I got it like a few weeks ago, so I forgot. Yeah, both of these were $5 at the thrift store, and it's new still. It hasn't been opened or sealed or anything like that. But yeah, I definitely do like going to the thrift stores or to like the Goodwills and stuff, because honestly, people donate so much good stuff that you never know. Like, you can really find some hidden gems in there, and that's how I definitely found some hidden gems that day at the thrift store. Wow, where's my brain? I don't know. But yeah, the last thing that I went ahead or that I'm gonna go ahead and do is I just picked up some little Hershey Kisses, like in these little bags. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some little Hershey Kisses throughout the box, because who doesn't like chocolate? But yeah, that is pretty much everything that I put in my box. And Yeah, I think it turned out super cute. I will say, you know, comment down below if you think that it could have been better, or you liked it, or you didn't like it. I think that my maid of honor box is definitely too full, but it's okay. I gift, and I know I'm gonna give them lots of gifts at multiple points, you know, throughout this process. So it's okay. But just sometimes, you know, you just like you're so excited, and you know, you want these girls to be just as excited as you, because you know this is like such a big moment in your life, you know. Um, so yeah, all in all, for all the items, I spent $90 divided by 3 boxes is about, or I spent $91. 333. What? Where are my math skills today? Where are my math skills? I'm sorry. I spent $91 in total for all three of the boxes, and everything inside. So divided up, that's about $30 and some change per box, which is not bad, for what I put into it, especially considering more of that went into the brides or the maid of honors box. But yeah, I mean, $30 for a box. I was able to personalize them. Like I put their names on the glasses. I put cute sayings on the glasses. I personalized the wine glasses. I personalized the box. That probably was like one of the funnest parts of this whole experience was to be able to make it personal for each person. But yeah, if you guys think that I did these boxes in a broke bitch budget, let me know. I mean, definitely you can make the boxes a lot more cheaper, but I think that I got so many pieces, actually every piece in here, I think I got an amazing deal, especially the boxes. I don't think I said the price, but I was able to use a 40% off and then a 20% off at Michael's. And so I got all three of these boxes. It was just under $25, which is like crazy because normally a box this size and with the floral design on it is like 20 something. I think they range, I seen them from like 18 to like $28 depending on the size of the box, but for to get all three for that price, for the pretty much the price of one, was like an amazing steal. So yeah, if you're going to Joann's or Michael's, always look for a coupon. They always have them, and don't be afraid to hunt and look for deals. Like it is okay to buy things on sale, and it's okay to not want to spend full price for things. Like I mean, we all have a budget. No one wants to what break the bank. I cannot speak today. I don't know what is going on. But yeah, those are my bridesmaids boxes. I'm absolutely in love with them. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and remember to comment, like, and subscribe.